This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Modine Sproul. 3 bedrooms separated for privacy. 2 and 1/5 baths. 1/5 bath and utility room. Master bedroom with ensuite walk-in shower, large tub with walk-in closet. Open floor plan with volume ceilings, 1 level, no stairs. Large deck overlooking 3rd green on refurbished Balboa golf course. Amazing view from most rooms. Oversized 2-car garage with storage above. Room for golf cart storage below. New hardwood floors throughout. Dining room and breakfast area with bar. Gas fireplace. Newer HVAC, 2023, newer roof 5 2018. Lots of storage throughout, Cooper built with 2x6 walls. Extra insulation. Energy efficient. Maintenance-free yard. Landing steps at back of garage. Non-smoker, no pets. Bought new in 2007. For more information